Hi guys, so this is the other 69 Mustang that is a project that we also have. I posted a bunch of videos on it. It's more of a project than the other car. As you saw in my older videos, we took this entire side of the car off and we put a Dynacorn panel on it. We also redid the scoop right here. It turns out pretty nice. Eventually we're gonna have to come back and weld up some of these cracks here. It's gonna need body work here too. It's pretty much a shell right now, but it did drive and I did post a video on it. It has 302 and an automatic in it right now, and it's going to get a 5-speed eventually. And currently I'm picking up the radiator for the other Mustang so it will not overheat. So thank you guys.
So what's going on?
So right now, as I mentioned earlier, we got the radiator from the other house for the other Mustang. That is going to go in and hopefully this car won't overheat. But currently, we gotta get the car hot and drain all the fluid out. So we're gonna go rip it around a little bit, and then what should a little bit's like 2 minutes because it gets hot really fast. So, yeah,
That's the plan. I was gonna let you pull out. I may have missed that.
What?
I may have missed that.
Yeah, this is just gonna be difficult.
It's gonna be one of those.
Yep.
4. Gotta drain it before you can take everything out, so.
Why is it there?
You want me to reach down there and grab it?
Can you?
Yeah.
Can see it?
Yep. Well, no, I can just stick my hand in there and. Radiator's not terribly hot. This thing, right?
Yeah.
I know. Is there any liquid yet?
No.
Oh, I'm sure I'll feel it.
No.
There it goes. So, should I just give it a little bit more?
Yeah.
I can't. There it is. You want me to? It's got a little more. I saw that because the way those things are is they face kind of one way, and as you spin it, it just sprays it that direction. So. Battle scars. Oh. He's happy to see me, or?
Legit, same radiator he has in his truck. So.
Is this the same exact one?
Yeah.
Really?
It's just 69 Mustang one.
Yeah, basically.
Same champion again.
Yeah, these things are super sweet. My truck runs at about 175 degrees on an 85 degree day in highway, freeway traffic, so.
Mine's probably still down. We're gonna find some more problems because it's never easy.
Yeah, I know, that's true, especially with that thing. You can't see it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll knock the rear end out. It's just the U-bolts are bent. Weeks later. Leaf springs.
There's those little two.
Whoever said that the leaf springs were the problem, you were right. I thought about that beforehand, and those are hardened steel, so bending that, you have to nail something. So
someone was sliding into a curb.
yeah, what I don't understand is how they didn't break other stuff, because I feel like that would be one of the last things to go. But
Yeah.
whatever. Taking my shroud off the car. Sorry for the dark filming, but
We're doing our best.
we're trying. Yeah, but someone, I don't know if you can see. Let me put that. That is a self-tapping screw holding the shroud on, and then I'm pretty sure all of these are different sizes.
Well, just look at the array of hardware that's sitting on the towel alone.
Yeah, they're all just random.
There should be
It's just
two.
thrown
There should be
together.
two sizes, one for the shroud and one for the actual
Yeah.
radiator, and you've got like I see like 4 different ones.
Yeah.
So that means whatever shop this thing went to previously, the mechanics were mechanics.
Yeah, literally. Like most of this car is just held together with mismatched stuff. The gas tank little filler nozzle was held on by like 12 random screws.
It would not come from the factory with a regular washer like that, and then this kind of nut, shoulder nut. So that's not right.
Yep.
Whatever.
Well,
It's not gonna go back together that way.
yep. Looks like we're gonna need to make a little A1 trip or
Yep.
whatever. Tractor supply.
Oh yeah, there's a tractor supply now. That's so awesome.
Yeah, it's like dummy clothes. Would you like to do the honors?
Yeah.
Here. Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
There we go. You don't need that turd no more. Ew. Nice.
Oh god. Okay, so basically, we took the radiator out, kind of filmed that. Craig was like running around trying to find a spot to dump it. So we went to Tractor Supply. Got some nuts and bolts for that. We're gonna clean this up. Clean all of this up. Get the new radiator in. Hopefully you don't like break something. Simple enough.
Goes to hardware store to get bolt for this. Leaves this sitting on the chair.
Rubber and put it there so the radiator's not like banging on metal and then just like breaks, because there was a pad there, but comes the best part.
You can do it.
Trying not to.
I'm gonna make sure we don't scratch it or bend any of the fins.
Oh, there you go. Wow.
Let's put it in.
Okay, so we got the little rubber mat down to keep the radiator from bouncing on the metal. Shroud's on the fan. He's going in for the kill right now, and the radiator is going in backwards currently.
That's MRT. This is so hard.
Oh, watch the fan. No. Oh my god.
Muscles? Okay, good.
I'm trying not to like bend it.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we reached the most inevitable part of this, and that is something went wrong. I said to Craig before this started something's gonna go wrong because it seems that's what always happens. So when you order a 69 Mustang radiator online, apparently you get the wrong one that's about 3 3/4 inch off the mounting brackets. And the overflow like nozzle is on the wrong side. So yep. I think we're gonna wrap up this video here and then finish it up another time. That'll be the next video, is actually fixing this. I don't kind of just hit a roadblock here, so I don't know what to tell you guys. So we might make a bracket. What's going on with this? Please subscribe and like, because this is what I have to go through. Thank you.